Your mind is the most powerful faculty you have. It has the ability to go back in time, to remember moments in vivid color and full detail, or to transport you into the future, to a time which has not yet occurred, where limitations and boundaries do not exist, and bring them into the present moment. Your mind possesses other powerful faculties, such as perception, reasoning, intuition, and imagination. With such amazing power within you, your mind, isn't it time you learned how to use them and create the life you want and desire? Thought Temple. Learn the art of feeling good.